Assalamualaikum friends, here is mega bundle of flares. Total pack is 58 in 5.18 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in two parts. And here is total file is 270 in 124 folder. Okay, but these are protected. Password in this app: go to Google Play Store, write Sheri escape, buy now for lifetime. And iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. Subscribe me. Okay, here is Stalia Day. Font link is here, and here is a BBQ party flare roll. Okay, next is Beauty Talk. Black Friday with different format. Here is APS, AI and PDF. That means you can edit in Adobe Illustrator. And here, okay. Social media story, flare and feed. Three things in one. Okay. Part 2, Black Friday. Open this one. These are CMYK color. Okay. Black Friday, end of session, and here is up to 70% off your brand, your place. Okay, here is your phone number. You can change everything. Okay, here is apply a grant and overlay. Here is a shape color. Depend your own choice. You can do anything. Black Friday flare again, CMY and RGB color. Okay, here is Black Friday. You can do anything. November 1 and 2030. Oh. Here is a Diwali flare. Here is a Japanese ramen food. Fitness gym. Startup agency flare. You can adjust your photo and you can change anything. Okay, sorry, unlock. First unlock and then okay. Swimming tournament. Here is three different things. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, download this app. For password, take care, Allah Hafiz.